Having a puppy really means and what people think of having a puppy is different. This is the reality of a 6 week 3 days old Labrador. This is my baby Dexter. He doesn't stop biting. He will never stop biting. He keeps doing something or the other. Oi! This is our everyday story now. सादा चौड़ा मत साले मारूंगा. हट हुश हुश ये फोन ले जा. Go take the phone. Go. Yeah, very nice, good boy. Fuck the phone, leave my hand at least. So he's just bit everything off, but he's my lifeline. My lifeline. Stupid. Hey. Oh, he just attacked my phone. I have to hide my hands from him. Oh, look at him. Just look at him. जंग होती है यार रोज हाथ बचाने की जंग होती है. Now he cannot bite me, at least I have a blanket to protect me, but I'm more worried about the summers. See this little monkey. Oi, Dexter! Hut! He's searching for my hand. Yeah, take everything. I'm not giving you my hand. Hut! Hush! Dexter, no! मेरे कपड़े क्यों उतार रहा है? Punishment time. This is his punishment. Every time he does this, he gets punishment. Then he has to swim in the air. हाँ बता साले.